Hey, this will be a video chart on MOPN, MOP Environmental Solutions. I think I did this one once before, sometime back in this area, but yesterday the thing really exploded and I got a bunch of requests that came in. Unfortunately, I was busy yesterday, so I wasn't able to do any videos at all, but thought I'd come back here and do it today and kind of get things updated. I still had a lot of questions and in a nutshell, I guess, yes, things are fine. It's not the end of the world or anything like that. You just had consolidation day. You had some more profit taking come in, but volume was much less. What I mean by that is if you look at the breakout day here, you can see that this volume was huge, but then on the consolidation candle right here, you look at the volume, much less, and that's what you want to see from a volume analysis standpoint. You never want to see some sort of gigantic volume day, that's red following a big breakout day like this, but volume wasn't even half of this candle up here. So overall, yeah, it looked very nice, very healthy, and as long as the support levels hold, then there's really not much to worry about. It's just consolidating, and that's just part of the game. That's how the market works. So one of the key areas of resistance, or excuse me, support that I'm watching is going to be this 20-cent area. Why am I picking 20 cents? Well, if you look, you can see that this was a previous high, so therefore at one point in time this was a key resistance to get through, but then yesterday when the price did break through it right here, this is where it turned into support, and so far so good in terms of holding strong. Now that is more of the ideal level, meaning ideally I'd like to see that hold, but what I call the must hold supports are levels where they shouldn't have any problem holding if it's truly a strong move. So what I mean by that is if this is a genuinely bullish move that the price is making here, then should the price come down here, and I'm not saying it will, but if it were to drop all the way down to 15 cents, then there should be all sorts of people sitting down here just wanting to dig in and grab as many shares as possible. But if the price comes down here and then just falls right through, then that's just telling us that there actually weren't too many people right here that wanted shares. So that's kind of a sign of there being some weakness there. Now, in terms of resistances, this part of it's relatively easy. We have this 35-cent level up at the top here. That's going to be the key resistance, just because that's where the profit takers decided to step in yesterday. And then we also will have kind of shorter-term resistance, which I don't think personally will put up much of a fight, but right around 30 cents here. I'll mark it off, but I'll just leave the line skinny. But 30 cents is going to be another area of resistance. But like I said, if the price does come back up here, I don't think 30 cents will put in too much of a fight, but nonetheless, it is still considered a resistance level here. And really, the other thing, I know I touched on volume at the beginning, but as the week proceeds, if the price goes sideways or pulls back a little bit more, as long as volume is doing this and decreasing or staying relatively low, that's fine. Easiest way to remember is on sideways days or down days, the lower the volume, the better. On any sort of upwards days, the higher volume, the better. So you just want to show that if the price is consolidating, that it's simply just profit takers, not dumping or anything like that. And the easiest way to track that is just simply by using volume. That's what's great about charts. People can't hide from volume if they're trying to dump shares or if the company's trying to do a bunch of diluting. It's going to show up in the chart via huge volume bars. But today, like I said, looks like it was just simply profit taking, as the volume was very much lower compared to what yesterday's big move was. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is MOPN. Thanks for listening.